Today we're back and we're going to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's start on our right hand and find C with our thumb. In our left hand, we can find C with our pinky. And just for a little warm up, let's play C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. So that is our 5-finger C scale. Do it again. Until your fingers feel nice and loose and comfortable. And then we'll jump into Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. For this one, you're going to have to move your fingers a little bit so that your pinky can reach the note A. I like to start with my fingers as if I were playing the C 5-finger scale. And then when I have to go up to the note A, I just reach my pinky up there so I can play A. Remember, our notes on the piano are C, D, E, F. F is right before the group of 3 black keys. G, and then A is in the middle of the upper 2 of the group of 3, if that makes sense. It's on the top part of the middle of the 3. That's A. And then B is to the right of the 3. And there we have another C. To play Twinkle Twinkle, we'll play C, C, G, G. Then my pinky will reach up for A, G. Then F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Then we'll play G, 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 F, F, E, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, C, C, G, G, A, G, you know the drill. Once we've got it on our right hand, we're going to do it on our left hand. Then both hands. Have fun practicing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and I'll post another lesson for you this week as well. See you soon.